today we're going to be making all natural, super healthy smoothie. And we're going to be using 1 carrot, handful of spinach, 10 strawberries, 2 oranges, a banana, just kidding, a banana, and a handful of ice. First, we're going to peel the carrot, the orange, and the banana. Okay, it's time to blend, but you guys have to remember this. The soft things go on the bottom, and the hard things go on the top. Okay, now let's put in a handful of rice. Now we'll turn it on, but I'm gonna give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in. My cup. That was fast. Really good. It's so good. You can barely taste the vegetable. That's what's good about it. Cause I don't really like the leaves. I don't like the spinach, and I can't taste it at all. I can barely taste it. I hope you guys like your smoothie. And by the way, see you next time. Bye. And make sure to subscribe. 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 Subscribe, subscribe, and also leave a like. That's it for today. Peace out. Woo!